Hey, this is Shambhu, and in this video we'll take a look at the Nokia 2330 Gophone. This is a basic Nokia handset, and this is a refurbished unit. It comes with a wall charger, a SIM card already inserted, a user guide, and a 90-day warranty. Now, if you notice, when I first got it, I noticed how similar it was to the Nokia 1661, and this Nokia is the T-Mobile version. It looks similar. The one key difference is, of course, is that the 2330 has a camera, and even though the menu buttons look the same, the center button here is actually a button that you can press and to select items. In the 1661, only the borders work for navigation. The center is actually not a button, and you use this right key to make selections, this left key to make selections, sorry. So let's take a look at this now. This phone comes with 4 themes built in. This is the Reef theme. The one that was activated by default was the Tree theme, which looks quite nice, but one thing I found with that theme is that I found it difficult to tell which item was selected. And there are 2 other themes where it's even easier to tell which item is selected. That's the Light theme and the Matte Black theme. Now when you open it, you can see that even though this is a pretty basic phone, it does have quite a lot of features. The camera itself is just a VGA camera, so you get 640 by 480 resolution, and it even does take video, but it's a very tiny video of, I think, 128 by 96, or some small thing, like small size like that. Let me go back to the menu. This phone has mobile email. You can access your email via Yahoo, MSN, and a whole bunch of others. One provider that isn't there, about the only one that isn't there, is Gmail. So if you do want to check Gmail, you'll probably have to use the web interface. Now when you do check email, etc., you are charged for that data. I think it's about 1 cent a kilobyte, unless you buy a data package. You have text and picture messaging, and in fact there's even a feature called audio messaging, where you can record some audio using the voice recorder and immediately send it off in a message. You get your recent calls, and there's the web browser. The phone comes with what looks like a few games installed, but I found out after looking at it that they're actually demo versions of those games, and to actually play the full game you'll need to buy the game from AT&T. But and the phone has a bunch of ringtones and graphics that you can use. One interesting thing is that even though the internal memory of the phone is quite small, it actually has a full-fledged music player in it. For example, I was able to, if I can find it, actually upload, let's see where that would be. I was able to upload a song and able to play it. Of course, there's I don't have a headset, so I just had to hear it through the speakers. But you can use it as a music player for maybe 1 or 2 songs at most, which is why they don't advertise it, of course. Among the other tools, you have the usual set of calculators, alarm clocks, and so forth. The calculator does have a load calculator built in, as well as the scientific function. So if you are interested in those things, that you've got that there. All in all, it's a surprisingly useful phone. considering its cost, and it's fully compatible with the Gophone plans. In my case, in order to test it, I've signed up for the $2 a day plan, and then whenever you make the first call on a particular day, you get an SMS message telling you that $2 has been deducted and what your balance is at that point. And it actually feels good that that you can call for the rest of the day and not have any additional airtime deducted. So if you're considering giving the Gophone plan a try, you can't go all that wrong with this basic phone. It does make your calls, messages, picture messages, and so forth. And if you later want to get a fancier phone, you could. And thanks for watching. I hope you found this a little bit useful, and for more information, please take a look at my website. Thank you.